Yoga isn't just a fitness trend, it's a way of life. And our favorite Bollywood stars know this better than anyone. Let's dive into the yoga routines of two iconic actors who swear by its benefits: Shilpa Shetty and Kareena Kapoor Khan. First up, Shilpa Shetty, Bollywood's yoga queen. Shilpa has been an advocate of yoga for over 2 decades. She's even released her own yoga DVDs. In interviews, Shilpa often credits yoga for her flexibility, mental peace, and glowing skin. Her go-to poses? The Surya Namaskar and Pranayama. She believes these practices help balance her hectic work schedule and personal life. Next, we have Kareena Kapoor Khan. Post-pregnancy, yoga played a major role in Kareena's fitness journey. She once shared in an interview, "Yoga isn't about just looking good, it's about feeling good. It taught me self-love and patience." Her favorite? The warrior poses that boost strength and confidence. So, whether you're a yoga newbie or a seasoned practitioner, take inspiration from these Bollywood divas and unroll that mat. Want to know more about their exact routines? Drop a comment below.